students, this is Shankar sir. Welcome to my channel Natural Biology. In my previous class, I have explained about the structure of cell membrane, cell wall and nucleus. In this class, I am going to explain you about one more important topic of the cell component, that is protoplasm. So let us see what is meant by this protoplasm. Protoplasm meaning it is a live fluid. Okay, what is the meaning of this protoplasm? Live fluid. Earlier, scientists believed that the life of the organism present in this fluid, hence they called this protoplasm as a live fluid. But after the discovery of the cell organelles like mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, ribosomes, so different cell organelles have different functions, then the term protoplasm is changed into cytoplasm. Okay. Cytoplasm means just cell fluid. Okay. So what is the meaning of cytoplasm? It is the fluid. Okay, cell fluid. So where it is present? If we see the cell, so this is the structure of the cell, and inside the cell we know that there is a nucleus present. Membrane bound nucleus is present. Now the space between cell membrane and the nucleus, so cytoplasm is present. Okay, it is like a matrix or a fluid. Okay, fluid portion of the cell is present between the cell membrane and the nuclear membrane. I will write here. Present between plasma membrane, because cell membrane also known as plasma membrane, and nuclear membrane. And this fluid is amorphous. So no form, amorphous, morphology, nothing but forms. Amorphous. This is lack of any form. Okay, there is no proper structure to this fluid. So amorphous and translucent, not transparent, it is translucent, and homogeneous. Okay, the total entire fluid is same. Homo means same. Homogeneous colloidal fluid is called cytoplasm. Okay, how can we define the cytoplasm? The fluid or the matrix which is present between the plasma membrane and nuclear membrane, which is amorphous, translucent, homogeneous and colloidal fluid. So such fluid is called cytoplasm. In your level, 9th class level, simply you have to write the fluid portion of the cell which is present between the nuclear membrane and cell membrane is known as cytoplasm. This cytoplasm contains cell organelles and as well as cell inclusions. Let us see what are those. Okay. Cell organelles are nothing but these small membrane bound structures which are present in the cytoplasm. Along with these cell organelles, cell inclusions are present. What are the cell inclusions? Secretory materials. Secretory materials such as enzymes, hormones in plant, nectar. So these are secretory materials present in the cytoplasm. And also excretory materials. Excretory waste materials. Excretory materials also present in the cytoplasm. Okay. cells, these type of materials present in the cytoplasm. And some storage materials. Okay. So after formation of the food material by the photosynthesis, the carbohydrates, proteins, lipids get stored in the cytoplasm. Okay. Not only plants, even in human organisms also, little amount of carbohydrates, glucose, vitamins, minerals, okay, get stored in the cytoplasm. So this cytoplasm contains cell organelles and cell inclusions. Okay. So this point is not given in our textbook, but we have to have a little idea about that. Okay. So that may useful in many competitive exams. Let us see the functions of this cytoplasm. Cytoplasm hosting different type of cell organelles. All cell organelles are present in the cytoplasm only. And intracellular distribution of nutrients and minerals. Okay, it is helps in the intracellular, means within the cell, distribution of different types of nutrients, minerals takes place through this cytoplasm. And exchange of materials between or among the cell organelles, okay, takes place through this cytoplasm only. And it is a site for various biochemical activities, metabolic activities. For example, glucose breakdown. So glycolysis takes place in the cytoplasm. So this is about the cytoplasm. Let us discuss about different types of cell organelles. First, I will give the definition for these cell organelles. Cell organelles are the small membrane-bound structures which are present in the cytoplasm. So that is the definition of the cell organelles. The small membrane-bound structures within the cell are called cell organelles. The word cell organelle derived from the Greek language. In Greek, organelle means it is a little organ. Here we have to remember that all cells do not possess this type of cell organelles. Okay, few may be present, few may be absent. Basically, in eukaryotes have cell organelles, but in prokaryotes these are absent. Okay, all the eukaryotic cell contain cell organelles, but that are absent in prokaryotes, except one cell organelle that is very important. Okay. So that is nothing but ribosome. Okay, ribosomes. So this point we have to remember that. So these ribosomes present both in eukaryotes and prokaryotes. Examples for cell organelles are the Endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body, lysosomes, ribosomes, mitochondria, chloroplast, vacuole, etc. So there are so many cell organelles are present. Let us discuss about these cell organelles one by one. First, endoplasmic reticulum. Let us discuss about one important cell organelle, that is endoplasmic reticulum. So before going to discuss about this endoplasmic reticulum, there is one more term is given in the most of the books, that is endomembrane system. Okay. So endomembrane system is formed by this endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi apparatus or Golgi body, lysosomes plus vacuole. Okay, these are cell organelles together called as endomembrane system. This point we have to remember. So in examination you may get a bit like which of the following cell organelles are the parts of endomembrane system? Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum, lysosomes and vacuoles all together forms the endomembrane system. Okay. Now, this endoplasmic reticulum is discovered by K.R. Porter. K.R. Porter in the year 1953. Okay. Then what is meant by endoplasmic reticulum? This point is important. Okay. K.R. Porter discovered the endoplasmic reticulum in 1953. I will write the definition of endoplasmic reticulum. Okay. So this is the definition of the endoplasmic reticulum. Okay. The large network of membrane-bound tubules and sheets known as endoplasmic reticulum. So the endoplasmic reticulum, based on its structure, is broadly categorized into two types: rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is classified or categorized into RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum, SER, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Why it is called a rough endoplasmic reticulum? Because on its surface ribosomal granules are present. So because of presence of large ribosomal granules, its surface is look like a rough surface. Hence it is called rough endoplasmic reticulum. And in smooth endoplasmic reticulum, means some portion of endoplasmic reticulum without ribosomal granules, so that region is called smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So we can see the picture. So that ribosomal granules are looking, so that area is called rough endoplasmic reticulum. Okay. Let us see the structure of this endoplasmic reticulum, where it is present inside the cell. As we know that this is a cell and it is a nucleus. Nucleus is made up of two membranes, inner membrane and outer membrane, together called nuclear membrane. The outer nuclear membrane gives rise endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, it is originate from the outer membrane of the nuclear membrane. So this is the region of the endoplasmic reticulum. So this endoplasmic reticulum contains the ribosomal granules over its surface. Hence this region is look like a rough surface. And here there is no ribosomal granules, so it not give a rough surface. It is very smooth. Hence it is called rough endoplasmic reticulum (RER), and it is called smooth endoplasmic reticulum (SER). Now this rough endoplasmic reticulum is the site of protein synthesis. Okay. Protein synthesis. Remember, it is the site of protein synthesis. Proteins are not synthesized by endoplasmic reticulum. Proteins are synthesized by these ribosomes which are present on its surface. Hence, that is the site, only site for protein synthesis. Whereas the smooth endoplasmic reticulum involves in lipid synthesis. Okay, it is the site of lipid synthesis. Okay, so after the synthesis of these proteins and lipids, they have to move to cell membrane. Okay, here we know that the portion of the cell membrane which is also made up of proteins and lipids. So wherever the proteins and lipids are required, so that protein lipids are moving from this endoplasmic reticulum to the area of the need. So that is why this endoplasmic reticulum makes a network of tubules and sheets over the cell. So that helps in the transport of these materials, especially proteins and lipids. And one more important function the smooth endoplasmic reticulum is, okay, it is providing a fair framework for many biological activities, especially in vertebrate liver cells that detoxify the toxins. I will write the functions of this endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, once we recapitulate the structure of endoplasmic reticulum, It is a large network of membrane-bound tubules and sheets, okay, known as endoplasmic reticulum. It was discovered by K.R. Porter in the year 1953, and this is broadly categorized into two types: smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. In rough endoplasmic reticulum, on its surface ribosomal granules are present, whereas ribosomal granules are absent, hence it is very smooth. So rough endoplasmic reticulum involves in protein synthesis, whereas smooth endoplasmic reticulum involves in lipid synthesis. Okay, that I will make up as functions. Okay, so these are the functions of endoplasmic reticulum. Once have a look on the functions. It is a channel for transport of all the materials, okay, throughout the cell, especially proteins and lipids, and it is the site of protein synthesis and lipid synthesis. Then it is also provide a framework, okay, area for many biological activities, metabolic activities, especially smooth endoplasmic reticulum in vertebrate liver cells involves in detoxification. It reduces the toxicity of the cells. So these are the functions of endoplasmic reticulum. The 5 important questions for all the competitive exams from this topic. Okay, let us discuss one by one. Point number 1, the meaning of protoplasm, life fluid. The meaning of cytoplasm, cell fluid. Point number 2, endoplasmic reticulum was discovered by K.R. Porter in the year 1953. Point number 3, rough endoplasmic reticulum is the site of protein synthesis, whereas smooth endoplasmic reticulum is the site of lipid synthesis. Point number 4, smooth endoplasmic reticulum plays a key role in detoxification, especially in vertebrate liver cells. Point number 5 and last but not the least, okay, right, point number 5, the cell organelle which is present in both cells, prokaryote and eukaryote, is dash, that is ribosomes. Ribosomes both present in eukaryotic cells as well as prokaryotic cells. So thank you for watching this video. So do subscribe, share, like, comment and do everything, support my channel. Thank you once again.